Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best 10-inch subwoofers on Amazon. Window-rattling, earth-shattering, gut-wrenching bass are some of the evocative imagery that people associate with subwoofers. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Rockville RW10CA 10-inch subwoofer. This subwoofer is perfect for those who want to enhance their car's audio system without taking up too much space. The Rockville RW10CA is a compact and slim subwoofer that can fit in small spaces. Despite its size, it can still produce deep and powerful bass that can elevate your listening experience. The subwoofer is also easy to install and comes with a remote control that allows you to adjust a bass output to your liking. If you'd rather go big on sound and not on size or price, the Rockville RW10CA 10-inch subwoofer is a sound decision. Don't let its sleek and compact size fool you. This subwoofer produces some solid bass. What we like about it: inexpensive for the features it possesses. 200-watt continuous power handling and 800-watt peak power load. MOSFET power supply. Auto turn-on technology. What we don't like about it: build quality. Might not fit everyone's setup. Number 2. Scar Audio SDR10D4 10-inch subwoofer. The Scar Audio SDR10D4 is a top-of-the-line subwoofer that is designed for serious audiophiles. It features a dual 4-ohm voice coil that allows for flexible wiring options and delivers a powerful bass response. The subwoofer is constructed with high-quality materials, including a competition-grade pressed paper cone. You'll love the hard-hitting sound of this subwoofer. It's capable of producing those super low notes and achieving amazingly realistic sound reproduction. You can achieve an amount of bass with this one speaker that other brands would require 2 to produce. What we like about it: peak power handling ability of 1200 watts and RMS power of 600 watts. 2.5-inch 4-layer copper voice coil. Dual 4-ohm voice configuration. What we don't like about it: users report distortion at some frequencies. Not the best quality of construction. Number 3. Rockford Fosgate P3D2 to 10 10-inch subwoofer. Rockford Fosgate is a brand that's synonymous with sweet-sounding automotive audio products, so we aren't surprised that the P3D2 to 10 10-inch subwoofer lives up to this reverent reputation. What we like about it: dual voice coils. 500 watts of continuous power handling and 1000 watts of peak power capacity. Certified by C2031 industry standards. What we don't like about it: relatively low sensitivity rating of 82 decibels. Lacks the pure and precise clarity that others effortlessly delivers. Number 4. Kicker CWCS 104 Comp 10-inch subwoofer. This 10-inch subwoofer from Kicker has a super rigid design. It's an injection-molded cone that's braced by a 360-degree back brace. Inside there's a high-temperature voice coil wire. It also has spiraled tinsel lead technology. What we like about it: injection-molded cone braced by 360-degree back brace. High-temperature voice coil wire. Tough yellow double stitching. What we don't like about it: some users report receiving defective units. Sensitive plastic rim that breaks easily. Number 5. Pyramid Studio Pro 10-inch car subwoofer speaker. This subwoofer features a cloth edge suspension. It's an ideal subwoofer for replacing a blown stock speaker in your vehicle, and the unique voice coil in this speaker greatly reduces distortion. This helps you achieve a more accurate sound. What we like about it: peak power ability of 300 watts and RMS of 150 watts. 1.5-inch capped in bobbin voice coil. Heavy-duty mounting structure. What we don't like about it: lacks depth and range. Small magnets for its size. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, So do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.